personally think that punctuality is necessary in most cases, and even of great importance when it comes to formal meetings, work, or study schedule, because our being late may waste others' time, because we cause certain disturbance and show our lack of seriousness. I hope that the truth is not as ugly as it seems to me, but a majority of Vietnamese people tend to take punctuality for granted. Whether it's about going to work, study, or formal and casual meetings, many people assume that some minutes or even hours late should be forgivable. Of course, with sound reasons. Definitely easier said than done, right? Well, the fastest way is to set multiple alarms or reminders on mobile phones. However, I remember things better by visual impression, so I may attach sticky notes around my house or working desk. I believe that many people adopt the same methods too. I guess most people find time management troublesome, especially young and working people. It's either because we are too busy with the breathtaking pace of modern life, or because we may waste too much time on the countless alluring sorts of entertainment at hand. I believe that the use of computers to arrange our schedules is absolutely effective. They do not only help us sort out jobs to do every day very neatly, but also function as alarm clocks or reminders. So, in this day and age, it is a common sense that people increasingly utilize these electronic devices for this purpose. I fear that most people will become working machines one day due to the unstoppable development of the world. That means free time will be something luxurious. In order to get favorable jobs, housing, and welfare in a competitive global economy, people tend to become workaholics. Therefore, I think people should take free time more seriously so as to maintain a balanced life.